morning, we're back. We're just putting some finishing touches to this job. That's the wall that we did at the start, and then around here we've started putting on these copings. We're nearly done on this job, so we'll have a look at this. So this is what we've been doing, lot. So we've had to take the panel off, cut it down a bit, and then put these copings on and the tops on. We've just been working our way down here this week. Been on it 3 days so far, so this is 4th day. We should finish it off. So there them, look, just putting them on, cut panel down, put panel back on, top back on. We've had to take these off, look, first few, and then we can take bolts out and then screw them back on. So we've just got these 3 left at end. We're ready to go. We've just got a bench for cutting on. So this panel's ready to come off.
What do you want to do? Do you want to just lift it like this or?
Well, pull it out a bit now,
Yeah.
What do you
want to tilt first, yeah?
Yeah.
Probably going to be easier, like, yeah, got it.
Yeah. Quite an easy, relaxing job this, to be fair. Not much bending over. Just working out that barrow. I normally paste the bottom of these copings up, but I'm not bothering with these because if wall moves, we don't want it. If we stick them down with that easy prime, it'll crack coping, and they're really soft, them copings. So we're not bothering with that. And try not to drop all crap down the back and all. That's the steps. Electricians here today to put all lights on. I'll have a look at them later on. Still got some little bits to finish around there, a bit of drainage and that, but not a lot. Just using a sharp sand mix. So 5 sharp sand, 1 lime and 1 cement. These walls lean down as well, so we're just leaning copings with them so fence panel matches. Where's that rubber hammer, Tim? Just get it tapped down. Make sure bed looks alright. Same size, just go in at the same size bed and then it'll give us the right amount of fall. That's it, pistons on. All I'm doing is just making sure there's no gap underneath them so it flows down alright. And then just flushing them up with wall, not putting a line on it. And then all we're doing, we just finish it flat. And then we'll brush it later. And that's that, and then we just got to cut these down because obviously we're putting that much on. Coping goes wider, so we've got to take that much off at panel. That's what Tim's doing now, cutting that end off, and that'll go back on. They are a bit rotten. Get a few more years out of them yet if it's painted.
What?
So I can go show what you like.
Oh, I can get mine in, like. Right. I've got room, me, like.
Yeah. Right, they're on, and it's nearly end of the day because I've been in there helping an electrician with a extractor fan. So I didn't do that one. Tim and Josh has done that one. So these are what we do. We just let it go off, and it just gets brushed, finished. Like that. Take that out of there. And then it all looks like that. And then we'll bed these on in a minute, which will be tomorrow. Right, got fence panels on. This is going to get painted, so we'll just put them on, patched them in. Couple of pillars to put on. Should be good. Yeah. Right, level. That's it, another job hard at way. Looks alright with them copings on it, makes a difference. And topped. Took us 4 days and a couple of hours this morning. Not bad. Hardest, longest part, we're getting these off, so we had to take them off, take that off, cut fence down, put it back on. Copings took 2 minutes. Fence took the longest. So when he paints it up, it should be alright, last a few more years. The lights through the day, I'm not sure you can pick them up properly with camera. And they go all the way on this wall here. A little port way, look. They'll look nice on a night. All the way inside and out. Oh, we've done this bit here, look. Curve that round. That's going to be some more drive. And that's it for that video, because we are on a new job. This garage here, I'll tell you what, while we've got a minute, I'll show you what we're doing. Right, so this is a 2-story extension. It's going to be, well it isn't yet, but it will be, up there, comes out. Half of this garage is gone, so that's what we're doing now, taking half of it down. We've got part of the roof off, and then we're just going to start dropping this wall. We'll just have to cut that, cut other side, and then drop it, and hopefully half of this is going to bond into new garage. Otherwise, if the inspector says, oh, it might have to come down and be rebuilt, then it goes round there and just wraps around back, and then that goes out of the way. But yeah, should be a good job for us to sink his teeth into. But yeah, so that is it. So we're cracking on. Look at that thickness of that render. Woo! Some thick render that, look. Even on the thin bit where cobbles aren't, it's all going to get re-rendered. So it's going to be out of block work, 2 course, front and back. But yeah, that is it. So we'll catch you in the next one when we start building this. Got a few bits to do, take garage down stuff first. But yeah. Catch you later. Make sure you subscribe, give us a like, drop us a comment, give us a hype, and I'll see you in the next one if you're interested. See you later.